She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
So, this is me after 7 days. I grew up na yung mommy ko ginagamit niya tong anti-aging product na to. Ano na lang, pero hindi siya talaga. Ang ganda-ganda nga ng skin mo, di ba? Broke ka naman.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar.
Hey guys, it's me, Anne Christine, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another beauty review, and this is very special kasi napaka-nostalgic nito sa akin, as in. Kasi I grew up na yung mommy ko ginagamit niya tong anti-aging product na to. I can clearly remember na meron siya nung eye cream nito and nung mga creams nito. Kasi nung bata ako, mahilig akong maglaro ng mga empty na skincare products. Kunwari, wala nang laman yung toner or yung cream. Ewan ko, pero pinaglalaroan ko sila. That's why I clearly remember this brand. And I think pati naman yung mga mothers nyo, in one way or another, gumamit sila ng Avon kahit hindi pa skincare product yan. Ang i-review natin today is an Avon product, a new renewal activating serum. And ginamit ko siya for 7 days. Papakita ko sa inyo yung before and after, and pati na rin yung mga days na ginagamit ko siya. Twice a day ko siyang ginagamit, daytime and nighttime. After 7 days, ayan, marami pa rin natitira, guys. Kita nyo ba? This is a 30 ml bottle, and after using it for twice a day for 7 days, ayan, marami pa rin natitira. So, I think this is good for a month. Aside from this, syempre, ginamitan ko na rin siya ng mga creams. Kasi after mong mag-serum, you put on cream. So, naglagay na rin ako ng a new Fairness na day cream. This one has SPF 30. Yan. And this is the a new Fairness night cream. Pakita ko na rin sa inyo yung consistency niya. Yan, 2 pumps. Ito siya. And yan, very hydrating siya. Very hydrating siya, but it's really not greasy. Sorry sa kamay ko, maugat. It's really not greasy. And yung gusto ko sa kanya, natutuyo naman siya agad. So, I can go ahead with my next skincare steps. Pakita ko na rin sa inyo yung consistency ng day cream and ng night cream. Ayan, para mag-focus. So, ito si day cream, dahil nga may parang SPF siya, no? Parang may sunblock siya. So, parang pang sunblock yung consistency niya, but it's really lightweight, guys. Don't worry. To be honest, ginamit ko siya ngayon as primer. Bago ako nag-makeup, naglagay ako ng serum and itong day cream. This is the night cream. Ayan. Para lang siyang moisturizer. And syempre, this is clinically tested. This is dermatologically tested. Allergy tested din. All the details about this serum, makikita nyo naman dito sa box. So, makikita nyo yung ingredients, what the active ingredients are for, and how to use it. So, let's talk about the active ingredients. We will not talk about all the ingredients, but yung 2 niya na main talaga niya na active ingredients, which is protinol, and that's patented kay Avon, and niacinamide. So, sa mga beauty junkie dyan, alam nyo na napakasikat ni niacinamide. Pero, i-share ko pa rin kung para saan siya, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam. So, si niacinamide, minimize niya yung pores, and yung fine lines and wrinkles. And it also protects your skin against sun damage. Halos lahat ng holy grail na beauty products merong niacinamide. Ano nga ba si protinol na patented ni Avon? It's an Avon exclusive. So, sa kanya lang yon. Siya talaga yung ginagamit ng mga katulad natin for graceful aging. By the way, guys, for those wondering, I am 31 years old. So, since nababawasan tayo ng collagen production habang tumatanda tayo, si protinol may ini-stimulate siya na 2 types of collagen sa katawan natin. And itong 2 types ng collagen na to, kapag daw ito yung na-stimulate or nadagdagan pa yung production niya, yun daw yung parang katumbas ng tinatawag nila na baby skin. If you've been following me for a while now, you may be wondering why I'm reviewing it now kahit ang dami-dami pang laman. Usually, whenever I review a product, diba, 1 month or 2 months ko munang gagamitin, uubusin ko muna talaga. It has been making waves online. Na yun nga, meron siyang kiniklaim na in as fast as 7 days, makikita na yung results. Syempre, I wanted to see it for myself and I wanted to show you guys as well. Kaya ito, bibigyan ko kayo ng 7-day review. What made me try it is, syempre, my age. I'm turning 32 and kahit sino naman siguro gustong i-stop yung aging nila. If you've been following me for a while, you would know that I really love taking mga supplements pero tamad akong mag-skincare. I think it's about time na asikasuhin ko na rin yung skincare ko. So, I tried this one out kasi sabi ko nga sa inyo, I grew up seeing my mom using these products and si mami ko, well, low quality, no? Pero magpa-flash ako ng photo ng mami ko in her 40s. She is really super pretty. I won't be able to show her to you guys now because she passed noong 2007. What I like about it is it's on the affordable side ng skincare. It's not super mura, but still it's affordable, guys. Given yung mga active ingredients niya, it is value for money. And knowing na Avon is a global brand, diba? Another thing that I like about it is yung consistency ng mga products na tinry ko, na pinakita ko nga sa inyo kanina kasi ayaw ko talaga sa lahat yung greasy na products. Lalo na, my skin type is combination. It's a combination of dry and oily. And naiinis talaga ako kapag greasy yung product. Probably is the reason why tamad ako mag-skincare before. But, ito nga mga na-try ko, right after ng serum, naglalagay na agad ako ng cream and wala akong naging problema. This product is tested pala on all skin types according dito sa box niya. So, no matter what your skin type is, kung oily ka man, dry, or combination, ayan, you can use this.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features.
So, this is me after 7 days. Katatapos ko lang maligo and wala akong nilalagay na anything pa sa face ko. Toner or serum, wala pa. And this is how it looks like now, guys. It's much more, it looks so vibrant. Kasi napaka-dull and textured ng skin ko nung day 1. Ngayon, it looks much more radiant and ayan, ang soft din niya. Tapos, ayan, malapitan. Kung gusto niyo makita ng malapitan, marks na lang, pero hindi siya textured, oh. Hindi siya yung parang nagpaparamdam yung mga pores ko, nagpapapansin, gano'n. Lilink ko down below kung saan nyo pwedeng bilhin si a new renewal activating serum. Pero syempre kung may mga kilala kayo na Avon lady, ayan, better kung sa kanila kayo bibili. Kasi ako, I grew up din na may mga kumakatok na Avon lady sa bahay namin. Tapos magdadala ng catalog. And alam mo yon, it would be great to support these women. I really love the results and I really love this little experiment that I did. Because dati nga kasi hindi ko naman masyadong iniisip yung skincare routine. So dahil dito, dahil alam kong may experiment akong ginagawa, mas nag-look forward ako na okay, for 7 days, day and night, magsi-skincare routine ako. And in a way, naging self-care routine ko na rin siya. So I really love the whole experience. Will I recommend this product? Alam niyo na, yes, I will recommend it. Guys, whenever maghahanap kayo ng skincare products na gagamitin nyo, syempre doon tayo sa trusted na brand, una. Pangalawa, doon tayo sa magandang active ingredients. Pangatlo, doon din tayo sa pasok sa budget kasi ang ganda-ganda nga ng skin mo, di ba? Broke ka naman. If you like this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And for more beauty reviews, I actually have a dedicated playlist for it. I'm gonna link it down below. Subscribe ka na rin and click the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
She's a Mona Lisa.